Now, welcome to the quiz B part, where every one of them will be fighting to get more points. The first team is the grade 7 and the grade 10, and the second team is the grade 8 and the grade 9. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Ready na po.
Okay, so let's get started. For the round 1, only 1 point here, so it's not that big of a deal, but it's still 1 point. It might give you the edge. So first, what online games has gamers been waiting for since 2014? A. GTA 6, B. Minecraft 2, C. Goat Simulator, D. FNAF 3. I'll give you guys. No. Okay. I'll give you guys 5 seconds. You could answer individually as well. I won't say if your answer is correct or not. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay?
Simulator.
Letter B. C. Okay, how about you guys? GTA 6.
Okay.
Your answer is letter B. Good. Your answer is A. Letter GTA 6. The correct answer
Good simulator.
is GTA 6. Okay. Okay, so next, who is considered the father of Minecraft? A. Herobrine, B. Notch, C. Hypixel, D. Jeb. Okay? B. Okay. How about you? No, you both can pick both options. Yeah, you could choose both of them. Okay. And the correct answer is Notch. It is Notch. So it's now 2-1. Now let's go to the next question. What game popularized the battle royale genre of online games? A. PUBG, B. Toadem, C. Fortnite, D. Apex Legends. 1, 2. Okay. PUBG. Okay, about A. PUBG. Okay. The correct answer is yes, PUBG. You guys need them to fail one question, so you guys could be a tie. Okay. The next is, what is the most popular online game? A. Fortnite, B. Minecraft, C. Roblox, D. CS2. Okay. I think they were first. Minecraft. How about you? Roblox. The correct answer is sadly Roblox. Okay. Next is question. Who owns the popular online game Mario Party? A. Microsoft, B. Sony, C. Tencent, D. Nintendo. Okay. How are you doing? A. Microsoft, B. Sony, C. Tencent, D. Nintendo. Okay. Nintendo. Okay. 1, 2. The winner is them. It's Nintendo.
Okay, last question. Spell an amount of iya.
We still have a next question. This time we go to another round, which is 3 points. It's worth 3 points, but it's harder. So the first question is, what strategy game released by Supercell, which is considered an epic combat game? A. Clash of Clans, B. Payday. Okay, since you guys were let's go.
A strategy combat game?
Yes?
Combat game.
Strategy, epic combat strategy game.
Clash Royale?
Okay.
Clash of Clans.
Okay.
You
You are the next one. Okay.
No.
Since you guys do you guys want me to continue the question or do you guys
Already done sa ads because he mentioned Supercell. So it's Clash of Clans. So see.
Oh, they're saying they. Oh, it's made by Supercell. Okay, it's made by Supercell.
Okay, is that your final answer?
Yes.
The correct answer is Clash of Clans. These two have been pulled up. year was Minecraft created? A. 2006, B. 2007, C. 2008, D. 2009.
What are the
1. 2006, A. 2006, B. 2007, C. 2008, D. 2009. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2006. Do you guys have a choice? 1, 2009. The correct answer is 2009.
Dito sila, active pala kayo.
Okay? So, the next question. What is the most time-consuming gaming genre? A. FPS or first-person shooter, B. MMORPG, C. Battle Royale, D. Strategy games. 1. Huh?
The choices.
Choices again? A. FPS or first-person shooter games, B. MMORPGs, C. Battle Royale, D. Strategy games. 1. How about you?
First person.
First person. The correct answer is MMORPG.
What?
Yup, it's MMORPG.
Hindi kami lang nag-World of Warcraft. Hindi kami
You should start learning about World of Warcraft. It's so time consuming.
So, it's like,
Epic.
Well, yeah. We'll see. Okay, let's go to. I'll just go to the next question. Do you guys do the what? It's until 5 days, and then there's 3 big questions for 5 points. So let's go to the next question. As of 2024, what is the most popular gaming genre? A. Shooter games, B. MMORPG, C. Sports games, D. Racing. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Shooter games. About you. 1. FPS. The correct answer is. Oh wait. FPS is part of the answer. And the question is shooter games. B. Okay. The correct answer is shooter games. Both of you won. Then now ready for the next question. This is the last question for 3 points. Ready? Okay. Which Minecraft player is considered the king of Minecraft? A. Green, B. Purple, C. Wembu, D. Technoblade. Okay. Okay. The correct answer is blood for the blood god. It's Technoblade. Okay. Skippy though. Okay. Now we're going to the next round. This is worth 5 points. 3 questions. Are you ready? Which planet in the solar system would be the size of Minecraft, of the Minecraft world, if it were real? A. Saturn, B. Mars, C. Earth, D. Neptune. Okay, how about you? Saturn. The correct answer is Neptune. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, the next question. How many hours was the longest Mario Kart marathon according to the Guinness Book of World Records? A. 10 hours, B. 24 hours, C. 40 hours, D. 48 hours. C. Okay, how about you? 40 hours. The correct answer is 40 hours. Both of you won. Okay, next. Are you ready for the last and final question? Okay. Roughly how many people play Roblox each month? A. 10 million, B. 15 million, C. 100 million, D. 150 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 100. So you choose C and you chose D, correct? The correct answer is D. It's 150 million. Okay, so when we please check the records, who won? Wait, and starting in the middle, I'm pretty sure they were winning, but yeah.
Ano yun? Di makada pa sa
No, 3 questions for the last and 5 questions for the medium and easy.
Day 1.
They
Because we answered the 5 ones, 2 questions. Gradually,
Okay. Well, just wait for a few minutes. We're gonna take that into account. See you then.